Hello everyone, this is Divya Madhukar from Trend Brand Preschool. Today in this video we will be learning the lesson on article an. Last lesson we learnt about our vowels, that is our A, E, I, O, U. But today in our class we will be learning about the words that is going to start with the letter or the letter vowels. Okay, so when we have a vowel A, we could have multiple number of letters which can be listed down, so for example I have taken only like very few of them, like 5 letters which are starting with the letter A, like A, ant, apple, arm, aeroplane, aunt. With letter E beginning with, we have egg, elbow, eagle, elephant and engine. So similarly like that I have words which are starting with letter I, that is ink, igloo, ice cream and ignore. With O we have letters words like orange, oak, oat, ox and ostrich. And with letter U we have umbrella, uniform and unicorn. This could be little difficult for children of like 3 to 4 years to read the letters or to read the words, but it is easier for them to identify what word is starting with a vowel, where they have to just find out whether the letters are starting with the vowel. So when we introduce this lesson called article, articles can be a, an and the. But for today's class we will be learning only about an article and. We will be learning only about article and. So that means whenever we introduce a an article, how do we read this? Ant becomes an ant. So that means it is no more a word, it becomes a phrase, because we are introducing an article called an. So how do we read them? An ant. And every time that you have a letter or the word beginning with A, we can immediately add as an ant, an apple, an arm, an aeroplane, an aunt, an egg, an elbow, an eagle, an elephant, an engine. This is how you have to practice reading, or you have to practice telling child that anything that begins with a letter, any word that begins with a letter A, E, I, O, U will have an article an before the word. Okay, so that's how it's like an ink, an igloo, an ice cream, an ignore, an orange, an oak, an oat, an ox and an ostrich. So because we have the first letter being the vowel. Okay, so we have this. So we have to keep in mind about the recitation of A, E, I, O, U. So this was our first reading or the first introductory to an article, like when can we use an in front of our word. Okay, now as I told you, the articles can be a, an, or it can also be the, but the we are not taking it in this lesson. We'll be doing it in further lessons, like we will be concentrating only on a and an. Okay, so what did we learn here? Anytime that you see the first letter is A or E or I or O or U, what do we have to fill in? We have to blindly fill in that this is an apple. So B, is it a vowel? No, it's a consonant, so it is a banana. P, it is not a vowel, so it is a papaya. Orange, yes, it's a vowel. A, E, I, O, U. So it is an orange. I, an ice cream. Rose, is it a vowel? No, so it is a rose. Umbrella, an umbrella, because it comes under A, E, I, O, U. It's a vowel. The first letter is a vowel. Then with P, it's a consonant, so a pot. E, elephant. So it's an elephant. Now we simply filled these words. So how do we read them? An apple, a banana, a papaya, an orange, an ice cream, a rose, an umbrella, a pot, an elephant. Now we have pictures like next over here, and we start matching. An apple. So we no more read it as apple. We read it as an apple, a banana, a papaya, an orange. I think I missed to draw an orange. So an orange, an ice cream, a rose, an umbrella, a pot, an elephant. So we did the matching exercises of these articles. Okay, the next lesson what we would be learning, or the next activity, is like you have few simpler exercises. So children might find it difficult to read these words, so that's the reason I have also added pictures right next to it. So what we would be doing over here is like we need to tick the correct article and then we need to fill in. So we will be working only on what article it is. Okay, so teach them the first format. It is egg dash egg. It is an egg. It is a egg or an egg. The first, what did we learn? The first letter of the word is a vowel. So it is an egg. So you need to tick this and then write it. It is dash igloo. It is an igloo. So it is an igloo. It is dash pumpkin. Now if you see the first letter, it is not a vowel. It is a consonant. So it is a pumpkin. It is a pumpkin. It is a house. It is an umbrella. It is an orange. It is an ant. Why? Because the first letter is a vowel. It is a ball. It is a lollipop. It is an ice cream. Why? Because the first letter is your vowel in the word. So like this you could give any number of sentences. If you see, I have used the same pattern of sentence. So this becomes as a preliminary reading exercises for children, because there's not much of repetition, there's not much of shuffling of the words. By the time they get to understand or read the 4 lines, they get to understand like it is an umbrella. It is what? If they're not able to read the word, they can look into the picture and they can still identify that this is orange. So this is like like reading the sentences with the help of pictures. At the same time, you will be introducing only the concept of your article. That's our a and an. So this was the lesson that we learned it for today. So we learned about articles. So it's more important that we always remember our articles as an. Whenever we have vowels a, e, I, o, u, we have to write our article an before the word. So give lots of words which starts with these letters, so that the children will get to understand. So you could do it as a part of it also. Just give them letters. You could shuffle these letters all together, like ant, egg, then oak, orange. So you could jumble them, you could shuffle them, so they get a little bit more experience about getting to understand the usage of the article an. Thank you everyone. Thank you for watching. Please share your feedback in the comment section. Like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more updates.